Speak Up by Miranda. There are times we should be quiet. There are days for letting go. But what matters seems important. Speak up. Let others know. With so many ways to speak up, like a sign, a smile, a shout. If we can make things better, why not let our words come out? When you're being introduced and they get your name all wrong, speak up. Say your name. You are you and you belong. When someone spreads a rumor and you're sure it isn't true, speak up. State the facts. Truth can open up our view. When a rule just isn't fair or has gotten much too old, speak up. Work for change. Justice comes when we are bold. When a person wounds another with their words or with their fist, speak up. Be an ally. Safety comes when we persist. If you see someone who's lonely or they're having a bad day, speak up. Share a moment. Kindness goes a long way. When you make a small mistake, even if you don't know, speak up. Say you're sorry. Learn to listen, learn to grow. When you have a special day or you're given something neat, speak up. Shout your thanks. Gratitude makes life so sweet. When you're sad or packed with feelings and the world seems dark and gray, speak up. Ask for help. Friendships chase clouds away. When trees and creatures suffer from our quick and careless choices, speak up. Rally others. Nature needs our mindful voices. When you know a scary secret about someone getting hurt, speak up. Tell a grown-up. Courage sometimes means you blurt. When the group is taking one path, but you know it's not the way, speak up. Change directions. Leaders don't always obey. While some people speak up loudly, and your words might whisper quiet, one voice can make a difference, so don't hesitate. Go try it.